on today. So that's right. Title was not clickbait. I broke my motorcycle. I broke it. That's right. I've never done it before in my life. Out of all the bikes I've owned, never broke a motorcycle like this. And it was terrible. Absolutely terrible. This is how it happened. So it was a beautiful weekend. Finally the weather is starting to come around here in Ontario, and it was like, I don't know, 18 degrees Celsius out. It was amazing. And so I washed both vehicles. I washed all 3 bikes. And when I was doing mine, I don't know what I was thinking, but like when I was going to the mirrors, I pushed a little too hard, so that mirror's all good, fine, dandy. This one, boom. Yeah, I was drying it and pushed a little too hard in the corner and broke my mirror.
What? What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
But luckily, good old trusty Kijiji and fellow motorcyclists, Harley Davidson enthusiasts, came through. And so I popped on Kijiji there. I went on Fortnite and checked it out. Checked out what they had available. And it would have ran me like 80 to $100. And I didn't really want to spend that on mirrors that I didn't need to, so I went on Kijiji and it came through. Luckily, it was funny. I did that on Saturday, I think. Saturday or Sunday, one of them. And that night, or that day, the exact mirror, short stem, Harley Davidson, stock, rectangular style mirror, popped up. Shocking, but perfect. So I'm on my way to meet that guy right now and pick that up, and then my bike won't be broken anymore. Yay! And actually this video, oh, my nose is itchy, shit. This video I changed things up a little bit from my first one, and I've went to the super view. I don't know, the first one was linear, and I recorded probably 3 or 4 videos since then, just trying the different stages, from linear to wide to super. And I haven't edited or posted those ones, but I looked at them, and I think I like the super view. It just gives you more of the bike look, plus more sky as well. And I haven't ridden on the highway in a while. Not a bad thing. I don't mind it. Just, I'd rather back roads and easy riding. This is fun though. Catch up to speed. Should have looked up the address for this guy. I totally forgot. I know the street, but I don't know the address exactly. I think I can go straight. I think I should have probably went left. Damn. Oh well. I don't really know where any of these streets go. No, that's not the right one. Days like today, I wish I would have set up my phone mount. Had the directions playing, but I didn't. So now we're in a residential area that I'm not really supposed to be in. So yeah, this dude, Torn, super nice guy, hooking it up, saving me probably $60. If I can ever find where this guy lives.
A few moments later.
Anyways, just pulling away from Torrance place. Hooked me up with the mirror. It'll be perfect. No more broken bike. So I'll get home, pop this on. Alright, back at the garage. A little bug. And we got the mirror. Definitely gonna need some TLC, but it's not cracked. Give it a 1/2 inch. Yep. And that is it. Bingo bango. Nice. Okay, so this is the one. I'm going to hit it with some polish real quick. Autosol. It's the way to go. Now, the super intense installation of a Harley Davidson mirror. There we go. Back. Bike fixed. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.